How to turn on or turn off mute all sounds shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. Now from here, we then tap on mute all sounds, tap on the left hand side panel, and then tap on the mute all sounds shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. After that, tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose which shortcuts to turn on or off. There are 3 different shortcuts that you can use. Tap the accessibility button, so you can turn on the radio box or turn it off. Next, you got the press side and volume up buttons, as well as press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So here I have activated all 3 different shortcuts. So I can press on the side and volume up buttons. So we've got mute all sounds here. I can press and hold on the volume up and volume down for 3 seconds to open up another menu. Here I can tap on it to turn it on, or I can tap on the accessibility button down here to turn it on or off. They are all different menus, so each of the shortcuts have their own custom menus. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.